Hello everyone, I'm Allison Shaw. Thank you for watching this video. If you watch it till the end, I'll show you how to get a free introductory video course. This isn't just another meditation course. It's a course developed by Giovanni Dienstmann, who is one of the top meditation coaches worldwide. So watch till the end and get access to this worldwide accredited video course. Let's explore the enchantment of meditation. Before immersing ourselves in the captivating realm of meditation, let's take a moment to ground ourselves and embrace the present. Inhale deeply, filling your lungs with air, and exhale slowly, feeling any tension release. Repeat this process, observing any changes in your state. Do you feel a sense of tranquility washing over you? It's remarkable how such simple breaths can wield such profound effects. Join us as we embark on a journey to uncover the magical serenity of meditation. In this discourse, we'll delve into various meditation techniques, strategies for integrating mindfulness into our busy lives, and much more. Understanding the essence of meditation. While the term meditation may seem like a contemporary concept, its roots extend far back into history, with origins dating as early as 1500 BC, although its precise beginnings remain somewhat mysterious. Ancient India and the writings of Chinese philosopher Laozi provide some of the earliest recorded instances of meditation practices. But what exactly is meditation? While Merriam-Webster defines it as engaging in mental exercises to attain spiritual awareness, a more resonant interpretation views it as a journey of cultivating awareness and gaining perspective, rather than striving for personal transformation. Exploring the diversity of meditation practices. Embarking on the path of meditation can initially feel daunting due to the multitude of available practices. However, by reflecting on our intentions, we can narrow down our options. Here are a few approaches suitable for both novices and seasoned practitioners. Mindfulness. An excellent starting point. Mindfulness encourages staying present and attuned to our thoughts, offering benefits such as reduced negative emotions and improved focus. Body scan. This practice helps alleviate physical tension by directing attention to specific areas of the body, fostering relaxation and awareness of physical sensations. Breathing. Focusing on intentional breaths serves as a powerful tool for centering oneself in the present moment, reducing anxiety and enhancing concentration. Finding your meditation space. Contrary to cinematic depictions, meditation doesn't require a specific environment. Whether you prefer a cozy corner at home, a quiet park bench, or even your car, when safely parked, the choice is yours. Beginning in a tranquil setting or using headphones to minimize distractions can be helpful. Though, with practice, you'll learn to tune out external stimuli effectively. Getting started on your meditation journey. For those inclined towards technology, meditation apps like Live and Dare, Relaxing Melodies, and Calm offer valuable resources. Additionally, YouTube hosts a plethora of guided and unguided meditations catering to diverse preferences and needs, reflecting on magical experiences. Numerous individuals have reported transformative experiences with meditation, from heightened cognitive abilities to improved physical health. These accounts, alongside personal experiences, underscore the enchanting potential of meditation. Give it an earnest try for at least 30 days with a sincere attitude, allowing the magic to unfold naturally. Here are a few personal experiences from a few of my clients seriously practicing meditation. Andy says, "I lost almost 30 pounds within 3 months of meditation, and I didn't forcibly change anything. The weight just seemed to drop naturally." Jane stated, "On many occasions, I undertook some fairly complex tasks and found that I sailed through them effortlessly. I was amazed at what I was able to accomplish." And Andrea claimed, "I was suffering with severe migraine and an unknown pain in my joints a year back. I tried allopathic, homeopathic, and Ayurveda before, but no use. Now when I look into myself, no migraine, no pain, no other sickness or illness. In the past 12 months, I fell sick only once when I got a cold. Other than that, nothing else disturbed me." And here are some parting words of wisdom. As you explore meditation, don't hesitate to experiment with different techniques until you find what resonates with you. Embrace this journey with an open heart and mind, and may it lead you to greater health and happiness. Cheers and all the best. Hello everyone, it's Allison again. I'm glad you stuck around till the end of our video. To get access to the course I promised, simply click on the link in the description box below this video. While your focus is down there, please help spread the word on Giovanni's coaching by subscribing and liking this video. Best of luck with your free course and thank you for your time.